guys, my name is Adil and you are watching the Biomed Dude. Today we are discuss about the operation theater lights. These are newly installed OT lights. In this video I will discuss about the installation and other parameters of the operation theater lights. So let's get started. A surgical light, also referred to an operating light, is a medical device to assist medical personnel during a surgical procedures by illuminating a local area or cavity of the patient. LED ceiling OT light offers white light without shadows, also offering optimal lighting in the operation room for the work carried out by the surgeon and their assistant. Now I am showing you the OT light hanging dome angles, which is directly connected to the top of the operation theatre rooms. On the top side, also install the HVAC system with HEPA filters. Both light dome are attached with the supporting arms. So the operation of the light, these are the different switches for different functions like power up, intensity control and the temperature control as well. This dome have 80 LEDs, which is two colors. The intensity control work with positive and negative switches, so the half lights are off and other cool lights are functional. Same like the temperature, positive and negative work with these switches, so the other half lights are off and other was functionals. The endo mode also functional, provide the endoscopy procedures given lights to the surgeons. The both domes lights are functionals. These are the view of the shadowless lights. The focus can be adjusted by the handle of the light, which is sterilizable. Increase and decrease the focus by the handle. The handle can be easily removed and fixed after sterilization from CSSD department. These are the demonstration and working principle of the double lume LED operation theater light. We have another operation theater light with camera control system. Let's look into this. So guys, here is a newly installed camera control operation theater light. Here is the main screen. I'm showing you on the front of the camera. Here is two domes, which is 160,000 lux of each domes. This unit have with the camera control. So let's focus on the camera. These two keys for the intensity controller and these two keys for the temperature controller of the lights. So here is the camera, which shows you the HD result on the screen like that. This operation theater lights has have the three domes actually. The third dome have for the LCD screen, which is curved LCD screen. This is curve shaped LCD screen, which is approximately 23 inch or 21 inch. Here is the digital VDR system, which is video recording system for the control of the camera and screens. Like if we connect the one or more cameras, we should use this VDR system for the connection. Like on the screen, here is display the 4 different cameras, but we are connect just one camera. To press this for single view of the camera system installation. So here is the back view of the VDR. Here is the camera connection, which is camera input from the OT light. Here is the mouse connector. Here is the HDMI cable, which provide the output to the HDMI for display. Here is the control. Here is the power connector, and here is this cable for purpose of the control. So this is all. Hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching.